Good evening, parents. My name is Bernie Montero. I'm the school principal at Somerset Academy K-12 campus. I welcome you tonight to our open house. I hope you have the opportunity to get a flavor of what it feels like to walk around our hallways, to sit in the classroom of your children's teachers, and in general, I really hope you enjoy this evening. Should you feel that you want to talk to me or reach me, please feel free to email me at bmontero@somersetacademy.com. Again, welcome to tonight's open house, and I hope you enjoy this evening.
Hi, I'm Karina Iber, Vice Principal at Somerset Academy, Chapel Trail. You can reach me at kiber@somersetacademy.com. I'm looking forward to a great school year.
Hi, good evening. My name is Dr. Sobron, and I'm the Vice Principal here. And my email address, in case you need to reach me, is wsobron@somersetacademy.com. Have a good evening.
Hello, my name is Christy Cardoso. I'm the Assistant Principal for Middle High here at Somerset Academy. I wish everyone a wonderful year. If you need to contact me, please email me at ccardoso@somersetacademy.com.
Hi, my name is Lisa Acevedo. I'm the lead teacher at Somerset Academy and Cambridge Coordinator. My email address is lacevedo@somersetacademy.com. Welcome to our campus.
Welcome to Somerset Academy. My name is Gabriela Valdez and I'm the High School Counseling Director. I'm also the counselor for students with last names M through Z. If you need to reach me, you can email me at gvaldez@somersetacademy.com.
Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Carrie Lisco. I'm the 9th grade school counselor. My email address is klisko@somersetacademy.com. I'm looking forward to a great school year.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Ganch, and I'm the school counselor for grades 10 through 12, last names A through L, and my email address is rganche, that's RGONCHE, @somersetacademy.com.
Welcome everyone to the 2019-2020 school year. My name is Mrs. Villalona, and I am the middle school counselor for grades 6 through 8, last names M through Z. I wish you all a great year, but should you need to reach me, please feel free to email me at mvillalona@somersetacademy.com. Thank you.
My name is Sotomayor. I am the Dean of Discipline for middle and high school. You can reach me at my email at osotomayor@somersetacademy.com.
Like the cool blue light